But I would like that third.
Number 13.
Hello, candidate number 21. How are you?
I am just very overwhelmed for everything that is happening tonight. I'm just really grateful for all the people who come here only to support me and to show love for me. I am very grateful and I hope that I will make you proud today.
O, hindi pa yun ang tanong ha, dahil ang kasagutan ay... Charot. Okay, so here's your question. I will repeat the question twice, okay? With the recent political chaos in our country, how can we define the word unity nowadays? Once again, with the recent political chaos in our country, how can we define the word unity nowadays?
And the recent political issues that is happening in our country today, I know that there is still unity. Unity in the youth. Last recent election, pinakita po nating mga kabataan ng ating kapangyarihan dahil nagtulong-tulong po tayo at nagkaisa po tayo upang mai-elect po natin ang karapat-dapat sa Senado. Sobra po ako natutuwa na nakita ko po dito si Kiko Expam at si Kiko Pangilinan. Naniniwala po ako na despite of the political issues that we have experiencing, there are still hope. There is still hope, especially us youth, and there is always unity. Thank you and good evening.
Congratulations. Now, shake it off.